The new sneak peek of Space Jam 2 is released, and all the people can talk about is LeBron James's hairline. Stay tuned for all the details. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Britt Johnson. For more sports news and commentary, make sure you click subscribe and don't forget to follow me on all social media at I am Britt Johnson. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright. It has been some time now since we first heard rumors of Space Jam 2 coming out, and well, the anticipated movie release has had some mixed reviews. I, for one, don't usually believe sequels top the original, so I'm not as excited to see a number 2 of Space Jam because, let's face it, y'all, the first one was pretty good. It's a classic and would be extremely difficult to top. But there is a new generation in town, and a lot of them can't wait to see LeBron James suit up for the Toon Squad. LeBron James took to social media over the weekend and decided to share a couple images from the upcoming Space Jam movie. Alright, well, I know you guys see it in these pictures, so let's just get to some of these memes people created about LeBron James's very nice hairline, might I add. One posted, "Looks like they used Michael's secret stuff on that hairline." Another said, "That fake ass hair." And this last one was more positive, tweeting, "Hair is on point." Okay, these were funny, and yes, they were true. You guys really seem to never let it go for LeBron when it comes to his hairline. But I know you trolls cannot wait to get in this comment section and talk about LeBron James's hairline. So head to the comment section now and do what you guys do best. It's your girl Britt Johnson for The Fumble, and I will see you guys soon.